Herbal Cough Syrup. Tri-Action Cough Syrup is a 100% herbal cough syrup, which supports treatment of cough, cold, and asthma. Coming in alcohol-free constitution, its usage ensures that person does not feel any drowsiness and addiction. Features: constitution of cough syrup is non-alcoholic. Helps in fighting all types of cough. Allows for better relief from cold. Helps in unblocking respiratory passage, supports easy breathing. Indications: cough and cold. Block respiratory passage. Difficult breathing pattern. Usage directions: as directed by the physicians. Packaging details: available in 60 ml and 100 ml bottle.
To purchase Healthy Life Apollo Syrup, visit us at Providence Specialty Store, 43 Ediac, Ewo Road, Abadan. You can also visit our websites, www.wealthandtourism.com, www.providencesecret.com, or call us on this number, 08035688971. We will be glad to hear from you, and if you have a question on any unclear area of this video presentation, please feel free to give us a call. We hope to hear from you soon.